Hey, what's up, you guys? This is John the Artist, drawing some more awesome stuff. Today we're drawing Goku Master Ultra Instinct. And I begin by tracing over my original drawing with my pen. I put on the smooth ability on the pen so it follows the guidelines a lot faster. Because we got a lot of work to do. Man, I spent so much more time tracing over everything without putting on that smooth mode. It's really nice. Now I'm just inking everything again, making sure the lines are connected. Looking pretty good. And then we erase the original layer, and now I did a shadow layer where I can darken up the parts where the light is not hitting it. The light is going to be directly above him, so everything below is going to be super dark. And you can change the opacity on the layers because they're non-destructive, which means you can get rid of them whenever you want and it won't affect the original picture. So that I noticed that the hair will cast a shadow, so I have to darken under there and under all these muscles and stuff. So all the shadows are below and the light doesn't hit. Just darkening up some of the belt and abs. Pretty good. The great thing about this is since you can put lots of extra layers, and when you want to color it, you can go straight over this, and then you don't have to reshade everything. So that's what I'm going to do in a minute here. Okay, I decided the shadows were too dark, so I lightened them up. And now we're going to color over it, and we don't have to reshade it because it's already done. Isn't that nice? Now it looks like it's shaded in because you can color right over the shadow layer. Now we'll begin filling in all the skin color, make sure that it matches. If you want to use the paint bucket tool to fill it up instantly, you have to make sure that you close off all the gaps. So you don't want to click it without doing that because it will just color your whole picture. It'll make it all skin color and then it'll look really weird. So we don't want that. So always make sure you close up all your gaps. And then we're filling in some more skin color. Goku looks pissed in this picture. And then in that form, I think he has silver hair, so I'm making him have silver hair. It's kind of weird. It kind of looks like his original hair from like Dragon Ball, but it's just like going up in the air. My favorite would probably be like the Vegeta one, where Vegeta and Goku have to fuse together to fight Majin Buu. That was pretty cool. And Vegeta was where Vegeta is in control, and Gogeta is where Goku's in control. I grew up watching so much Dragon Ball Z. You don't even know. Except for like now I'll probably want to watch it in Japanese only because Vic Mignogna, who did the voice of Broly, got fired from Funimation. People think that he like was harassing people, but that's not true. I met him and I know he's a good guy. So anyway, I will probably just watch Dragon Ball Super in Japanese, not with those voice actors because those are the guys working at Funimation. We're not very nice to Vic. But I could go on about that topic forever, so let's get back to the drawing. Now we're filling in the colors with the orange pants and the blue belt, iconic colors of Goku. see, since we already have the shadow layer on the bottom, we don't have to do it again. It's pretty cool. You can always add another layer and make it darker, or you can make it lighter, or you can increase the contrast or the brightness. There's a lot of cool features in Artflow. This is the app I'm using. Okay, now I have a background layer, but I accidentally screwed up, so then we had to paint his eyes and teeth back in. Then we have a shadow layer. It's really dark. Decided I wanted to lighten it up on the top and like really darken it up, so I just made another adjustment layer of even darker shadow. And then that allows you to lighten up the top, and now it looks like he's got like this light shown on top of him. I was just experimenting with different layers, but I mean, it seems pretty cool again. I really like how it turned out. Then we have like a blue line, blue flames around him because he's going Super Saiyan Master Ultra Instinct or whatever. Yeah. This is not really the same as Super Saiyan, is it? It's probably more like Kaioken. And now we added another lighting effect to brighten it even more. And then I decided the shadow wasn't dark enough, so I darkened that. And then I think I drew some flames over the top of it with another adjustment layer. So I've got 7 layers now. But it's cool because as long as you lock all the layers, you can't screw up your original artwork. It's like you're drawing with a stack of like 10 papers, and then the paper on the bottom of all 10 stack is when you drew the original drawing on. So obviously you can't draw on it if you have all that paper covering it. So it's kind of like how layers work. Okay, now I'm doing the flames, and I decided to give them a little bit of a gradient. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.